In this video, I will show you how to create a strong password generator in Python in just a few lines of code. First, we import two important modules, secret and string. The secret module is used to generate secure random value perfect for password, and the string module giving us easy access to lowercase letters and uppercase letters, number and special symbols. Next, we combine all these characters sets together and a secret.choice bracket inside a loop to randomly pick characters. We then join them using .join bracket to form a single powerful password. Finally, we print it out and boom, you get a fully secure, unhackable password ready to use. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more simple, powerful Python project like this one.